Howdy eggs, this is my chemistry project for 117. This is mine, is what I worked on. What I chose was finding and explaining the molecular geometry as far as bond angles and everything else that goes into an atom. And this is mine. I chose methane, right? And this is the actual shape of it. You can see, right? I'll explain the shape of this, and I'll also explain these angles, the angle. You can kind of already see, you know, where I'm headed with this. But first off, before we even do that, the first thing you always do is draw a Lewis dot structure, and I'm gonna tell you exactly how to do that. The first thing you need is, when finding out how it looks, is drawing this. I'll get them closer in a bit. First off, you need to find the valence electrons, and you have to put the least electronegative atom in the center. Next, you have to put two electrons between them to form a bond, right? And then fourthly, you gotta complete the octets on the outside. And fifthly is if the central atom doesn't have any more electrons, then you're gonna have to put double and triple bonds. But if you can come over here, cameraman, this is the way it looks. There's one way to draw it, and another way is commonly drawn is with the little dashes, but the dashes represent those two dots. And that is the correct way to draw it as far as the Lewis dot structure. And that's also the formula or the chemical name. And also, the molecular geometry. This is a tetrahedral. And the bond angles, 109.5. As you can tell, it's not 90, it's not as wide as 120, but you can see the 109 shape, 109.5. That's right here. This is my own little drawing of it. You know, kind of made it look a certain way. Tetrahedral, molecular geometry, tetrahedral. And another thing, the polarity. Is it polar or non-polar? This, as a matter of fact, is, as it's underlined, non-polar. And that is just some things I did to explain the atom that I chose, methane. And I want to thank you for looking at my project. If anybody would like any questions, to reach out to me on my YouTube, comment down below any more questions you have, and thank you for watching.